Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, is an engineering field day vlog again. Pupunta tayo ng Tuburan, Cagayan de Oro City, Upol, Misamis Oriental, and Libertad, Misamis Oriental. So yun yung mga areas kung saan tayo mag-field guys. This is the first area na pinuntahan namin guys. This is in Tuburan, Cagayan de Oro City. And just take a look guys. Hindi ko na na-video lahat guys kasi syempre we're working that time. So next is we're heading na to the next area which is in Upol, Misamis Oriental. And this is the second area guys. This is in Upol, Misamis Oriental. Just take a look again guys. This is one of the infrastructure projects that we are supervising and monitoring guys. So if you are balak nyong mag-enroll ng engineering in agriculture, agricultural and biosystems engineering, so this is one of the scope of works na gagawin in the future. Kung may mga questions kayo na gusto nyong i-ask, comment lang kayo sa baba guys kasi sasagutin natin lahat ng mga tanong ninyo. Kung gusto nyo namang ma-shoutout guys or magpa-shoutout, comment pa rin kayo sa baba guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, kindly subscribe po and like and share po this video. Thank you. And now guys, we're heading to Libertad, Misamis Oriental. And we're here na guys in Libertad, Misamis Oriental. This is a goat house guys, kung itatanong nyo. And now guys, kakain muna kami dito sa Kinamot. Famous Kinamot ng Libertad, Misamis Oriental. And grabe guys, ang sarap talaga ng mga pagkain nila dito guys. Sobrang social siya. Aristotle once said, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is an act, not a habit." That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!